Alarm.com was founded to revolutionize the way people connect with their homes, making them safer, smarter, and more efficient. Today, Alarm.com powers a comprehensive smart home solution, integrating a broad range of connected devices, all controlled with a single intuitive mobile app, making it easy to always come back to a safe, comfortable home. Alarm.com keeps you connected to what's important wherever you go. An always-on connection, persistently monitoring, and mobile access, providing the user with anytime awareness and control over their home. The smart home powered by Alarm.com acts in concert to simplify daily routines. Lock your front door and the home reacts intelligently. Based on your location, your home automatically saves energy. You can even get alerts about things happening in your home and beyond. Standalone devices become smarter and more useful when integrated into the Alarm.com platform. You can add these new devices and expand your system as the smart home continues to evolve. Alarm.com solutions are available through security service providers who are trusted in their communities to come into the home and deliver high-quality services. Our service providers make upgrading any home to a smart home simple through exceptional installation, support, and 24/7 professional monitoring. Make your home safer, smarter, and more efficient with a smart home solution powered by Alarm.com.